Funky D. Welcome back, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, today, the news, and when we want focus on, consign Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and this news, they come from Daily Post. According to what they tell us, they say in tweet, waiting in tweet regarding this news. And we go inside the news, jete by jete. We go inside the matter, jete by jete. Make una not forget about the expose. Now the matter, this one are the continuation of the whole thing. This one are the continuation of the news when concerned Abba Kyari versus Monguno. Buhari is dead. Arufai, Sultan of Sokoto, recruited Jubril Aminu al-Sudani, says the leader, the able leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the man that sees tomorrow. The man that sees tomorrow. The man when no waiting day. You understand? Now the matter we go talk, the man don't come out again, ladies and gentlemen. Can they tell us, say, man? There's the news say, Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, on Thursday, say the man can't insist. You know, when they say insist, you know, say, since when the man make this expose, the man never shake mouth, he never move, he never turn, he never shake. You understand? It remain where it stand. And it in fact, the thing when it continue to the talk waiting in don't tell us for the very first time. And make una not forget say all these things when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they tell us. Now I make Nigerian government go raiding house. In fact, kill 28 people. In fact, through the same thing, a mama and a papa can die for the cause of fighting for the freedom of Biafran people. And again, for the cause of the expose when he make. You understand? So, ladies and gentlemen, I saw the news they tell us say today, when be on Thursday, say this man don't come out again. Contact say President Muhammadu Buhari, say in don't die. And they bury in a shallow grave in Saudi Arabia. Okay? Kanu make this claim. Contact say the National Security Advisor, when be NESA, Babagina Monguno. Una know say that man, when be Monguno, when be, then get quanta one day between him and the Abba Kyari. So, now they can come to talk say the Security Advisor, and the President Muhammadu Buhari, Chief of Staff, Abba Kyari, say for him to the override the decision of the president when be the Buhari. Say, in fact, in testimony concerning, say, Buhari don't die, say that testimony remain the same. Because Buhari cannot die alive. Abba Kyari go dey preside. Buhari cannot die alive. Abba Kyari go dey override Buhari. A whole dictator when be Buhari. A whole former major general. How come Buhari go die alive? Abba Kyari go dey preside. Abba Kyari go dey everything when concern security. Now Abba Kyari, how come? When the president supposed to be number one person when they act, when they do, when they give command. But today, now the opposite. Now Abba Kyari, they do all this. So all these things now, when Mongono, when be the NESA come out talk, now they can say, in fact, a further vindicate Nnamdi Kanu's claim. Say Buhari don't die long ago and buried in Saudi Arabia. In fact, the news they tell us say now him personally signed the statement. Personally signed the statement. Income insists say Abba Kyari na the man when be say na in the rule. In fact, the country. In hide under the impostor from Sudan when it deceive 200 million Nigerian people. Funky D say he don't know whether now that one what they call the more you look, the less you see. It be like say na him Abba Kyari do to even PDP and the 200 million Nigerian people. When we see, then they see this thing. They see this thing Mouth they talk am. Aisha Buhari come a talk am. Everybody come a talk am. Nnamdi Kanu na be the first person to talk am. Nobody they answer Nnamdi Kanu. But we know say one day the thing must to come out. The thing must to come out full time. When Buhari Abi Jubri when they want to call say na on Buhari we go drag and go ICC. Already get some group when don't talk say they don't send petitions go ICC where they want to take petition this man one of the cause say na Buhari when be Jubri under him people they kill they meme and nobody they answer anybody. So Nnamdi Kanu they talk say still talk and the same thing say the continuation say na Abba Kyari they preside they do all these things prove see that thing when in tell Nigerian people na 100% true and na there when me when be Funky D na there stand. You know if you can't tell us say you get president all these things they happen. Somebody when be chief of staff they answer president. Somebody when be chief of staff now know everything when concern security. Nobody elected that man. You did there nothing. He just did there. They wax stronger and stronger. And the opposition, they know what in day. All of them quiet because all of them don't compromise. So Nnamdi Kanu don't go Twitter, can't talk say the man when be Abba Kyari, they hide under the impostor. When be Jubri, they take an art. In go position and tell and say, man, make you do like this, make you do like that. Now so you go do so that they go to see you as Buhari. But today I know say that Jubri, you go they run Heta scatter in that Aso Rock because he knows say everything they open now to the whole world don't know the whole thing when they happen because we continue to the talk am we no go ever relent, we no go ever because we know see na true story. We need DNA of Jubril Aminu Al-Sudani. DNA making come out. Now Jubri be that, not be Buhari. Una not fit deceive us again. The man when be Nnamdi Kanu can't talk say people when conspire. That is people when go recruit or people when go help. According to the news, I say na Daily Post be this, ladies and gentlemen. People when go help bring this Jubri from Sudan, make her call their names for Ona so that Ona go to hear waiting Ogama Nnamdi Kanu, they tell 200 million Nigerian people, and all of Ona stand there, an impostor from Sudan. They control Ona resources, they control Ona left and right. They see they get that chance, they loot that Ona money. At the end of the day, Ona still sit down. So, ladies and gentlemen, Nnamdi Kanu talk say the people when help go bring this thing. Now, number one of them when they call in name na Kaduna State Governor Nasser Al-Rufai. Daura, the second person. Lawan Daura, the third person. Mongono, Sultan of Sokoto or Sultan of Sokoto and the Chief of Armed Staff, Toka Borata. Say now these people now then go recruit Jubril Aminu Al-Sudani to replace him. He not say clone. Point of correction. Nnamdi cannot say clone. He say they replaced Buhari with the Jubril when come from Sudan. When be the impostor. The Jubril. Now him be the impostor. That one when they say now Buhari when on a sit there. Ladies and gentlemen. My viewers, that guy when they there for Aso Rock, when then they fly up and down. When one place not they reach. When because of him, Nigeria don't destroy totally. That man na impostor from Sudan, according to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Una don't hear the name when the man call and say na them, but the people when be say, na them contribute, go bring this man. And again, the man can talk about the Nigerian people or Nigerian youth. When we say their laziness and their ignorance and their enviness and their stupidity and their cowardice. In fact, timidity. Nothing when the man not cause them now. Nothing when not cause them. Say these people, man, he not understand. Even those people when we say, then they debunk the matter, say Abba Kyari not be the man when they in charge. Today, even Abba Kyari himself don't use mouth talk before, see. Buhari not dey in charge. Say na him when be the Abba Kyari, na him dey in charge of that country. Say not be the late Buhari. Say Buhari don't die. Abba Kyari don't tell us. Say not be Buhari dey in charge. Na him dey in charge as the Nigerian president. Now, since when Babagina, when be the National Security Advisor, NSA, he don't confirm again what Nnamdi Kanu don't talk about. In fact, because this man now they control all the whole level of intelligence agency when they that country, when be the same Abba Kyari. Why? The job when be see the president supposed to do when be Buhari. Okay, una say Buhari did there. Why Buhari descend himself so low to make sure say Abba Kyari take over his duty? Why? It's impossible. No country when all these things they happen. So when they come and say, oh, Abba Kyari because he's not chief of staff. Chief of staff not mean say he get any appointment in the there. It not mean say na him be the president. It not mean say na anything when na just chief of staff. It's just normal thing, chief of staff. That's all. Not mean say you be the president of the country. So ladies and gentlemen, Nnamdi Kanu don't come out again, don't talk say man. Now the matter is still talking again at the end of the day. Say Buhari is dead and they bury in a shallow grave in Saudi Arabia with Abba Kyari now in charge in Aso Rock as the ruler of Nigeria, of that damnable republic. In fact, again, he can't come down, he can't talk about Abba Kyari along with Garba Shehu. Call him Garba Shehu, they involved of this matter. He called them again 3 times. Now him Nnamdi Kanu call these people when we see now them be the people when play along the whole thing. Abba Kyari along with Garba Shehu, Governor Arufai, Madman Daura, Lawan Daura, Babagina Monguno, the same man, Sultan of Sokoto and Toka Borata. All these people contribute together to replace, to bring Jubril al-Sudan, the main impostor, to replace President Muhammadu Buhari. That is why today you see a lot of infighting in Aso Rock because they not they agree with each other again. In fact, again, he can't come down again, can't claim, can't talk, say, Nnamdi Kanu they talk so, say, the Fulani promise Bola Tinubu, the national leader of All Progressive Congress, APC, then promise him presidency to buy his silence and the Yoruba media's silence so that nobody go nyan. That is why you see all of them, they insist, say, Bola Tinubu, na him go be president. You say Fulani jihadists, then and in fact, then danger the presidency in front of Bola Tinubu. Everything when this man talk, ladies and gentlemen, no be small thing. No be small thing. All this Bola Tinubu them, when they're supposed to they play along with Nigerian people, now them, all of them, follow sell Nigeria to these Fulani people. So then buy this military, then buy Bola Tinubu now, so that nobody go to talk him. Nobody go to nyana. And this Bola Tinubu follow bring that Buhari when don't die. You follow that, no say, that Buhari when don't die. Now man of no nonsense. That man na dictator. And as such, that man, nobody go believe, say, somebody like chief of staff, just a civilian, common civilian when be chief of staff, go take over the rule of a whole dictator. How possible it is, ladies and gentlemen? An unelected president when be Abba Kyari. So now all these things today, Nnamdi Kanu don't let us know again. Say the person when they there still say in not shake him mouth, in not shake leg, in not shake nobody, in not move. Now where instant. See that man when they there na impostor. And it's true. If you see waiting Babagina and a lot of people, not be only Babagina, a lot of people in that country know things when they talk. If you see the way when all of them they yarn, you will know say man, Aisha Buhari himself don't come out, God, he don't talk am many times. Buba Galadima don't come out, don't talk and say, man, this one not be Buhari when he know before. He can call one man when they call Yenka. He said, then with Yenka and this Buhari, they know themselves when they grow. All of them grow together. Say, but this one not be the Buhari when be the Buhari when he know before. He can they ask Yenka, they call him 2 times, Yenka. Do you know this man when they here? This one not be the Buhari when me and you used to know before. Yenka said no, say this one not be Buhari when they know before. And Nigerian 200 million people quiet. They look Yenka, they look Jubri, they look Abba Kyari, they look Buba Galadima, they look all these men when we get in Aso Rock, when all of them they incompetent. All of them failed woefully in all their departments. All the whole job when they give them, nobody don't. The only thing when they did there for now to loot. Ladies and gentlemen, again, one news say the reason why Abba Kyari topple everybody be say Abba Kyari now they run the gun business. Now they run the ammunition business in that country. He got contract with Russia, got contract with China, got contract with different countries. When they run the gun business. The same Abba Kyari. So tell me now, if people, when don't come out so far, even Okorocha don't let us know, say, if in open mouth, nyan, waiting in no. Say Aso Rock, go rumble. That's what you talking. The other man again, the same thing. The one when with Okorocha get that problem with APC people, that former governor. If I remember his name, I will call him. That one again, don't still talk the same thing. Anytime when they threaten, they say they want to do something, they want yam, then go just, make sure say they put that person back to position. And Mechi don't come and come tell Nigerian people say Nigeria will never be better under this impostor when be Jubril Aminu Asudano. The same, they return Amechi's position. Upon say, then see and say talking for video. On video, ladies and gentlemen, on camera. Whether I know say camera not there or camera there from Kidri, no, but now camera because everybody see that video. So a lot of people don't talk say then go destroy that nation if the Fulani people, in fact, if Fulani people make them angry, say then go nyan waiting them no. Look at Okorocha and when they don't brag, we go deal with Okorocha and this. Oshomol, all of them don't brag. Today, Okorocha when talk say if Nyan waiting in no, Aso Rock go collapse. Okorocha no Nyan again because in no say na them. Bring the same Jubri, now them. Even Okorocha go up to the level when he can tell some of his colleagues say, this thing when I go bring from Sudan, it no go fly you. Our people go know, and if our people know, na problem. Today, Nnamdi Kanu knows everything. That is why from Kidi say, Nnamdi Kanu na man when they see tomorrow. If you like, continue to the debunk. We not send you message. We don't know what we know already. We continue to the preacher. We no go stop until we get to the bottom of the matter. The matter when they be say, Jubri na impostor. Not be Buhari, they there. Now look alike man when they go bring from Sudan. Can't use makeup, buff the man up. Can't use surgery. Sometimes you go see that thing, that dot when they here, it go there right. Sometimes it go there left. The same man, when they send a Buhari, our people say they know they use old age, they learn how to practice to use left hand to write something. Now, the other Buhari, one of them na right hand. This one again na left hand. Or the other one na left. This one na right. How come the same one person at old age? One of the claim say in na 73, I've been at 71 years old. 71 years old, when be like 45 years old, young Bobo in Aso Rock. Now we call him. Fresh Bobo, one of Aso Rock. Na him, Jubri, be. And I don't tell him, I say, the man, they laugh at all of una. The man, they laugh at 200 million Nigerian people. This is a shame. This is serious conspiracy, ladies and gentlemen. This is serious treasonable felony committed by this group of northern leaders when they go bring Jubri from Sudan. Come place him as president. An unelected person, a foreigner. Una know this shame. I say the man, they laugh at una Abba Kyari. Madman Daura. Monguno. All of on a hand stained with corruption. All of on a hand stained with treasonable felony. And that treasonable felony make una dey attribute am to anybody because now una don already commit that word, treason. Funky D. I say Nnamdi Kanu go continue to the exposure. He don't tell una say he no go stop. Say he go destroy Nigeria with the truth and nothing but the truth. And he can talk say when he done with Nigerian government, when he done with Abba Kyari and Mama Daura, say Nigeria, in fact, say Somalia go dey better than Nigeria. The way when Nigeria go look like. In fact, including Syria, go do like say it go look like paradise. After Mazen Nnamdi Kanu don't destroy Nigeria with the truth. He not saying go destroy Nigeria with weapon, ladies and gentlemen, no, with the truth from his mouth. Now him in talk. And he dey work for him. Very soon, Biafra go waka, leave Nigerian people. If una like, mona continue to repeat that one Nigeria. Now una problem be that. You not concern Funky D. You not concern Nnamdi Kanu. You not concern good Nigerian people when know about this thing and when know about the truth and when know how Nigeria supposed to be working for everybody. But Nigeria not they work for anybody right now. It only work for the APC cabals. Nigeria they work for only Abba Kyari and Madman Daura. I say DNA. Well love for everybody and see you next time from Canada. Bye.